Hi, I'm Denise from Camrose Energy, and I am here today in Charlie Killam School with Mr. Bailey. Mr. Bailey has been a teacher since when?
I have taught since 1983, but I've been here at École Charlie Killam since 1988.
Mr. Bailey contacted me about a couple months ago about a project that he had wanted to do. Would you like to tell us about that project?
Sure, yeah. We, as you look around the music room, or as we will see, we have an aging repertoire of instruments here. And instruments are quite expensive to replace, and so I'm looking at trying to set up some kind of a legacy fund to replace such items as flutes, clarinets, saxophones, trumpets, and trombones. Well, generally we have about 150 to 170 grade 6s at our school, and grade 6 band is a compulsory program, so the kids all get an opportunity to do band. And really a lot of these instruments many of them were even here when I came here. And so out of the 150, what I would like to gradually phase in is about half of those. Many of the instruments are beyond economical repair, as they say, so probably looking at trying to replace about 80 instruments overall.
So when you say beyond economical repair, what does that mean?
So an instrument that's malfunctioning for a student, that they can't make it work because there's perhaps bent keys or missing pads, just generally something that won't work for a beginner student or any student. And we send it into the music shops, and they look at it, and they term it beyond economical repair, which means it's not worth putting the money in to replace that compared to how much it is worth. I would estimate it would probably be in the realm of $40,000 probably to complete the project.
And this is where the magic kind of happened when Mr. Bailey contacted me for a donation towards this. I thought, we can do one better. Camrose Energy will match any donations to musical instruments up to $10,000. Have you experienced teaching the parents and then their child?
Definitely. I think I might be on to a couple grandkids even.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, I actually play in the Camrose community band with there's got to be 8 or 9 people that I started in grade 6 are now adults and musicians in the band with me, which is kind of cool.
So the reason why I thought this project fits so well with Camrose Energy's Community Connections program is the community that you build with the band program. I think a pure testament to your dedication to the music program, to music in general, and to these kids is the longevity that you have had in this program. You could have retired years ago, and you're still here. That shows your passion for what you do, and we appreciate that as a community.
Thank you. It's a combination of love for teaching and love of music.
Thank you, Bob, for all that you've done to build community within the music community in Camrose.
Thank you so much. Much appreciated.
Our Community Connections program gives 10% of our profits to organizations within community. Community is anywhere here in Alberta. We're lucky enough to have Bob in Camrose. And it is thanks to our customers who have made this possible. Thank you.